Hello and welcome. Most of the time, when you are working on the architectural project or something similar, rendering applications provide so many assets to get a cool realistic look to our designs. However, if you want to make your own designs, Hanora 3D provides many tutorials for you to learn modeling techniques. So now you can learn and practice to make your own 3D assets. Hello friends, now I'm gonna buy me a coffee. Would you like to support my work and help me continue creating 3D modeling tutorials? So now you can buy me a coffee and I really appreciate your donation. If you want to access my buy me a coffee page, check the description for the link and thanks for your help. Alright, through this tutorial you will learn how to create a pillow with the cloth modifier. First we need a box. Remember, the most important thing is the poly count, because if we don't get the sufficient poly count, we cannot hope for the proper result. Alright, actually it depends on what the size of your pillow is. It means how many size you take in your box. According to this case, I take 100 for the length, 115 for the width, and I think 1 is enough for the height. Okay, now we can take 15 for the length segment and 70 for the width segments. We don't need the height segments. Alright, now add the cloth modifier. Click the object properties to open the properties dialog. We can see here our objects. If we want to add more objects from the scenes, click the add objects. Then you can select more objects through the select from scenes dialog. Okay, select the objects, then activate the clothes. Now you have to select the presets that you want. Alright guys, now we have to fill the gas to our pillow. For that, we have to input the sufficient value to the pressure. For my pillow, I will add 10. You can experiment with the different values. Alright, I'm not going to change other parameters for now. After set the properties and click OK. Deactivate the gravity, if not your pillow will move to the down. Okay, now click the simulate local. After filling the gas, we have to show the cut line. Okay, add a new edge loop and go to the extrude. Reduce the height value